Warga Patisi TV.
Kalami kecil ki besyarkai haki benta berper jong ke Iran, bat hakani kecil ki ladan nyawat ki beriau ki belayap, bat kumba lai pongot ki belasyakem ki bedai ki noilam banakmat. Kajing ki kedai namar kajing her palat hakayok kakon, bat kajing ki udor ki mar ki mata. Shibun teli video ki lasap riang haki rensan social media ki bapen i ya ki jing ki haki benta berper jong ke Iran. Hakaba ki pajba ki laya perta bakim kuat syuk ban sencari keri daki noilam niam. Lani ki baki khot ki mula hakan yang muslim. Kani kedi kajing ki bahetam hadian kajing ki belajau senam arajar arpuar. Kajing ki bajai-jai kelas sedang nadu ka arpenyo terik unok para arja pesan henrei kala khamjurpan nadu ka sengi palai ka sitarik ukula limkan arja arpenrio hakaba baro kinong didukan kilaya khanglun ya ki dukan jengki ki patba kila kawang ma ya ki office sarkar ya ki mos kila thang ki kali bat ki waipan ki jing penjular. Presiden juga United States of America Donald Trump ulama ham ke Iran pakam dei ban penibor ya ki noya ki bayaki jai-jai balada kale da kabor ka Amerika kan wan ban pelak imeki Trump loong balada jai ya ki noya ki sipai joka Amerika kila kre lupa bandai Iran.
But if I were the president, I would inform the threatening country, in this case Iran, that if you do anything to harm this person, we are going to blow your largest cities and the country itself to smithereens. And there would be no more threats. There would be no more threats. But right now we don't have that leadership or the necessary people, the necessary leadership. We have two people, not one. We don't even know who our president is right now. Who is our president right now? We really don't know, but we have two people, not one, that only keep looking. And when you do that, when you just look, trouble always ensues. So it's trouble for our country. Meanwhile, we have the president of Iran in our country this week. We have large security forces guarding him, and yet they're threatening our former president and the leading candidate to become the next president of the United States. Certainly a strange set of circumstances.